Hey, what's up, my millionaire brother? So, what's going on? The Dogecoin gone very fastly, and those days, absolutely, today is a Dogecoin day. Congratulations, my brother. Dogecoin is gone in a moon, and that make you millionaire. Absolutely, congratulations to everybody. So let's see to Dogecoin gone up in upcoming days or gone down. So absolutely, this video is gonna really special. Please click out the subscribe button for live stream V or live stream just in upcoming days, please. And we decide to this time to this is selling time or buying time. You can see here Dogecoin, exactly this is good time to you buy it. And the last 24-hour result, they can change the life. You can see here of everyone who, as the you can see here this time buyer, please buy. This is good time to you buy Dogecoin. 100%, oh my god, 100.55% gone out. Congratulations everyone, my brother. This time is so exciting. I'm so good feeling. This time you can see here they're gonna have the prices increase hour by hour, minute by hour, minute. So congratulations everyone, they make you millionaire. Let's see the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour, my friends. The price is going up, and everyone they make you a millionaire. They give you good profit at the end of this month. Please hold it, wait for a good time. This time you can see here 0.296 add per US dollars, the latest price you can see here, and here as 0.16% then go now. Congratulations Dogecoin, congratulations. I think this is good time to you buy it. Please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. This is short news for everyone. Dogecoin, please like and subscribe for latest news and updates. I am updating you. This is good time to you buy it. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. They make you millionaire. They give you a good profit. Okay. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.